You mentioned Citywest. That was incredibly interesting for me to see how well prepared Ireland is, and I really want to congratulate you there. It's a sort of best practice, I think, we see here, and I'm very happy to share that with the colleagues in the rest of the European Union, of course, and also you mentioned the Criminal Assets Bureau. That is also a best practice model, I would say, and to see and to feel how it works on the ground. I think that is really important. And then we had, of course, the migration issue as well. Migration and the big migration reform, the European migration reform we started a year ago, is key, and it's all about implementing this pact on asylum and migration now. There were some missing pieces also from the pact. That's the return regulation, safe country of origin, just to mention a few, and we are working very hard and very closely together to get this reform through. It's the biggest migration reform we had, and we need it, of course. We need this reform. We need to give people the trust back between the member states on the one hand, but also between the governments and the people, and I think that's exactly what this reform brings. Restore trust, that's important, and to show the people that we have control over what is happening in the European Union, that we decide who comes to the European Union and not the smugglers and the human traffickers.
Commissioner, can you elaborate a little on what you found so impressive about Citywest? You appear to have had a very positive assessment of what you've seen there, so can you elaborate a little on what you found so impressive?
Well, what I saw today is that it's working very effectively, well prepared, as I said. The whole system, as we saw, and the way it is organized was just very professional and very human as well. So it's a very good mixture, I would say, and I think as I said, it's a very good example for the rest of Europe.